Yo, what's up, crypto crew? So, you want to dive into the world of crypto, right? But hold up, before you even think about those sweet Bitcoin gains, there's a burning question. Can you actually use your credit card on Coinbase? Let's break it down. Now, I know what you're thinking. Credit cards, crypto, it sounds like a match made in financial heaven. But is it really that simple? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. Let's rewind a bit. Coinbase is basically your one-stop shop for all things crypto. You can buy, sell, store, and even earn cryptocurrencies on the platform. It's like your personal crypto kingdom. But when it comes to funding your kingdom, things get a bit trickier. Historically, Coinbase wasn't the biggest fan of credit cards. They were worried about chargebacks and fraud, so they kinda shut the door on credit card payments. But hey, times change, right? So let's see where we stand now. While Coinbase doesn't explicitly advertise credit card support, there have been some whispers and rumors floating around. Some users claim they've managed to sneak their credit cards past Coinbase defenses. But here's the thing, it's not guaranteed. Even if you manage to link your credit card, there's a good chance Coinbase might decline your transaction. So, why the hesitation? Well, credit cards are basically loans. You're borrowing money to buy crypto, which is already a pretty volatile asset. It's like adding fuel to the fire. Plus, credit card companies often treat crypto purchases as cash advances, which usually come with hefty fees and interest rates. It's a recipe for financial disaster. But wait, there's more. Even if you could use a credit card on Coinbase, is it actually a good idea? Think about it. You're using borrowed money to invest in something that could lose value overnight. It's like gambling with someone else's cash. Not the smartest move, right? So, what should you do instead? Well, the golden rule of crypto investing is to only invest money you can afford to lose. That means using your own hard-earned cash, not someone else's. And when it comes to funding your Coinbase account, there are plenty of other options. You can use debit cards, bank accounts, or even wire transfers. It might not be as instant as a credit card, but it's definitely safer. Now, before you go rushing off to link your credit card to Coinbase, let's recap. While there might be some loopholes and exceptions, Coinbase generally doesn't allow credit card payments. And even if it did, it's probably not the best idea. Stick to funding your account with your own money and avoid the temptation of using credit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.